It can be useful to have a printed catalog of patterns that you own. To do this, go to the Patterns tab and then the heart icon. Toward the bottom is a Build Pattern Catalog. This will make a catalog of the first 100 patterns that you own. You can save this. You can export it as an Excel document, PDF, or a Word document. Usually you'd want PDF and maybe Word. Once you've done that on your first set, you then arrow over to your second set of 100 patterns, and you again build a pattern catalog, and then you would have pattern catalogs that are organized into groups of 100. You can also do a pattern catalog of search terms. Here I've searched for flower, and I'll build a pattern catalog of flowers. Let's see there. That's pretty useful. Maybe make organize it by the types of edge to edges you have for different price categories. There's a lot of ways you could do it. You can also go over here to the Project tab. So I'm going to click the paper icon and then click Build Pattern Catalog. And it'll build a catalog of just the 4 patterns used on this quote.